Now this is really cool. Look at that neon sign for Duffy's Cherry Cricket. I wonder how they got the name. See a lot of people waiting. Now, they say this is one of the best hamburger places in all of Denver. Sometimes you hear a lot of stuff, TripAdvisor, Yelp, other places. But until you hear it from me on the Tie Down CK channel, you don't know. So, Cherry Cricket, we're on.
Cricket burgers up here too. It's right there in the starters.
And there's outdoor dining here too. We're located on 2nd, right by Clayton.
Or outside. Let me go check.
I like the bar, retro 50s paneling. This place is packed.
You didn't know what you said. How many?
One.
One?
Yep.
I'll be
Okay,
right.
sure. Some TV for big screen sport events. Specials on the menu. Average age here is definitely below 60. I'd say probably mid-20s, 30s.
You said one?
One, yes.
Bar or you want to do table?
Table, you got it?
Let me go check on a table for you.
No problem. They're friendly. I think they're going to clean up my table tonight.
You can follow me. Okay, sure.
What burger should I get?
I would recommend if you want something a little adventurous, doing the cream cheese, jalapenos, and raspberry jam.
Now, is that a joke or is that for real?
It's real.
Okay, where's that on here?
So like I said, it's all build your own. So these are all the topping options.
Okay, so cream cheese.
Cream cheese, jalapenos,
Okay.
and the raspberry. Well, we have the cherry pepper raspberry sauce, or you can get the raspberry jam.
I'm going to be very adventurous. I will try that.
Okay.
Onion rings or French fries?
These are really good.
Okay, I'll try the onion
You
rings.
can get the free, and then the burger. You want to do the cricket burger, right?
Yep.
How do you want it cooked?
Medium well.
And then to drink?
Should I get a beer or should I get a shake?
I would do a beer if it were me.
Sold.
Okay.
Thank you. Really excited about this place here. It's almost like watching an opera or a ballet come to life. This must be my beer. Old music, baseball. Look at these fish. What a great looking aquarium, lots of color. So this is the grub. I'm really excited. What did you say was in the hamburger again?
So it's got cream cheese, jalapenos on the side, and raspberry jam. It's like a jalapeno popper
great.
on a burger.
Okay, this is 50-50.
And then the rings, yeah.
Right. Look at this basket of fries and onion rings. Whoa, the golden colors and texture. The smell is amazing. I can't wait to chow on this stuff. Look at this burger. The bun thing, the cream cheese, burger's perfectly cooked. Now I gotta put the ingredients on, but I'm gonna try one of these onion rings right now.
It's been a long time on that.
The onion rings aren't greasy, flavorful, straight from heaven. Now let me try one of these fries. Fries may be the best fries I've ever had. It's kind of like the Hot Cat they have I think in Grand Rapids. Okay, now I'm putting the jammy cream cheese on this stuff. It almost feels like a crime when I'm putting on this. Whoa, this is a big burger. It's bigger than a Whopper. I'd say it's almost a half-pound burger. It looks perfect. I'm gonna try the taste test. You know, I thought maybe they were playing a joke on me when they said about the cream cheese with the jam and jelly and the green stuff. But this is probably, in my life, probably one of the best burgers I've ever eaten. The meat is perfectly cooked. The cheese is delicious. So the hype about the Cherry Cricket is not hype. It's really good. Look at the thick ketchup they have here, too. And look at this burger. Man, I'm a happy guy munching on this. This place is absolutely wild. And I feel like I'm in Star Wars. Incredible group of people. Active, young, healthy. Food is just bizarre off this planet. I love it. Okay, this is my bill here. The basic burger was about $12.25. You had some additional goodies, some fringes, some fries. Total was $28.35. $6 for a tip. $34 for probably the most decadent, fun hamburger in this world. But the burgers look great. Let's see the kitchen. And that's the kitchen. Well, I hope you enjoyed eating burgers with me at the Cherry Cricket. And remember to subscribe to the Tidy Island CPA channel.